In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account not private, how to turn your account from private into public account. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Let's click on the lower right corner at your profile. When you're at your landing page of your profile, go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right. Then click on settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, guys, all you want to do, you want to scroll down to the section privacy, okay? Then you want to click over here, and then you want to click private account off. If this option was on, your account will be private. If this option is off, your account will become public. And this is a big change because now everyone will be able to see your content. They will be able to download your videos as well, and they will be able to do duets, remixes, or whatever they like to. So be aware of all that. Everything will become public at the click of a second. When you change the setting from on or off on private account, this is what is going to change. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.